This is not about Bluetooth modification or capabilities of Bluetooth. This is strictly just about modifying your earphones and retaining your earphone quality and capability with MP3 or MP4 audio files and other similar files. Alright, so first you're going to have to disassemble your earphones, and you'll have to remove the Bluetooth electronics. Sometimes these components go bad, and sometimes they have a short life. Sometimes the electronics will fail and you'll have one earphone stop working, which seems to be a common problem amongst Bluetooth earphone users. So this is the first step. I find it kind of funny that here I am tearing down this thing to bits when it was only manufactured in 2019. So as for the wiring, all I did was reconnect the auxiliary to the negative channel, and it's basically a bare wire connection via the negative connections, as well as the connection here to this 3.5mm adapter. And then the positively charged connection is this red wire here, and these simply go directly into the speaker board. The speaker board is responsible primarily for outputting the audio from your digital devices. And here I've simply removed the synchronous wires which go into the digital electronic boards. Alright, now we can reassemble the enclosure and give this thing a test. And again, these earphones are in fact working. It's just the digital electronics that have stopped working. So this is no longer a Bluetooth device, just a simple pair of earphones. Here are the finished earphones. Everything is insulated and well enclosed. Drilled a couple holes for the wires to be inserted. Now for a test. I consider that a success. This one. So overall, this is a fun and simple hack to get your audio back. Thanks for watching.